दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। The three writ petitions involving the same petitioner with facts interconnected with each other are taken up for analogous hearing. This writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India has been filed for setting aside the impugned notice number 253 insofar as it relates to invitation for appointment to the post of 6 whole-time lecturers in BRM Government Law College, Guwahati under the Education Department, which finds mention of the said notification. The petitioner has also prayed for regularization of her service as full-time lecturer in the said college. The petitioner was appointed as a part-time lecturer in BRM Government Law College through a recruitment process initiated by the Office of the Directorate of Higher Education, Assam. At that time, the qualification for appointment as a part-time lecturer was that a candidate must have higher second-class degree from a recognized university. The petitioner was appointed as a part-time lecturer in the vacancy which arose on resignation of one Shri J. N. Sharma. The said notification was issued by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam Education Department. The petitioner submits that she passed the degree in the year 1989, securing 4th position from the Guwahati University with 53% marks. The petitioner submitted several representations requesting the authorities to consider her appointment as full-time lecturer against existing vacant post. In the meanwhile, the authorities issued an advertisement invited applications for appointment to the post of full-time lecturer to be recruited under Regulation 1951, showing the post as belonging to fall under reserve category for scheduled tribes only. The petitioner challenged the said advertisement before this court as the said post was an unreserved post. Consequently, the respondent had stopped the appointment process, and during the pendency of the said civil rule, the authorities de-reserved the said post. This court, by order dated 8/12/2005, disposed of the said civil rule number 3500 inter alia with a direction to the respondent authorities to consider the long pending case of the petitioner, considering her length of service in the said college. The petitioner submitted a copy of the said order before the authorities, but no decision was taken in respect of the petitioner till date. In the meanwhile, one similarly situated person, namely Shri Ramesh Kumar, who was also working in the said BRM Government Law College for a long tenure and whose appointment was made as a full-time lecturer under Regulation 1951, filed a writ petition before this court for regularization of his service, and this court, by judgment and order, allowed the writ petition by directing the authorities to take immediate steps for regularization of the services of the petitioner. By filing another writ petition, the said Sri Ramesh Kumar also challenged the same advertisement, which was assailed by the present writ petitioner. In the said proceeding, the state respondents, through an affidavit filed by Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam Education Department, inter alia, took a stand that the said writ petitioner had not surrendered his bar license, which was required to be surrendered as per conditions imposed by the Bar Council of India in respect of whole-time lecturer of law. The petitioner submits that as per the advocate's right to take up law teaching rules 1979, a person who is enrolled as an advocate is entitled to take up law teaching. The aforesaid rules were framed by the central government in exercise of power under section 42A of the Advocates Act 1969. The learned counsel for the petitioner further placed reliance on the case of Mrs. Deepa versus State of Assam and other reported in 1996. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। मुझे उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने अच्छे से लिखा होगा। बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी डिक्टेशन नहीं है, इजी ही डिक्टेशन है। आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा कि आपकी मिस्टेक्स कितनी आई। आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ये नहीं बताते कि मिस्टेक कितनी आती हैं। मिस्टेक्स बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है, इससे मुझे ये पता चलेगा कि आप ऑनेस्टली तैयारी कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं। ठीक है दोस्तों, आपसे मुलाकात करूँगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।